partly, indirectly, or in whichever way one may call it, some statutory provisions without complete assistance. My request is this. I am coming directly to my request. Allow me to place within a week, and I promise your lordships it would come before your lordships within a week. My preliminary reply, some material with documents to show, statutes to show how this came into picture. This is not, with respect, a matter where lordship would also like to consider on prima facie reading.
It's like this. We had a particular situation. Maybe there are infirmities in that situation. And I put it across very clearly. Certain infirmities which were there. We also said there are certain positive things.
I understand, I understand. I fully understand.
And let me also very clearly put it. Somebody did say there should be complete stay. We said nothing to it. Cannot be any stay. At the same time, we don't want the situation to change. Because just one, we don't want the situation, whatever situation today is prevailing, to change so drastically that it affects properties. There are provisions like the provisions which you have enacted that 5 years. We are not staying that. We are not staying that because that can be. We are not staying anything like that. All that we want to do is normally you are right, absolutely. One of the thumb rules which the courts apply, we don't stay in the legislation when the preliminary stage. At the same time, there's another thumb rule also that normally when the matter is pending consideration before the court, the situation as it is prevailing today should continue so as not to upset the rights of the party. So therefore, we suggest two options.
Yes.
We suggested two things. You had yesterday said with regard to registration.
I'm not on merits. Let me complete my request to your lordships. I'm not saying that your lordships may not take up or may not stay partly or fully. Even for the purpose of deciding what will be the fallout of your lordship's order, also your lordship will need some documents. I'm saying it with a sense of responsibility. That if your lordships were to say something about the work by usual, what will be the fallout of that? Please hear us,
No, we are hearing.
Allow me to place material on record. 1 week, nothing would change. 1 week, nothing can change.
But then stay off as far as appointment of boards is